How can nobody see your cameo selfie in ads on Snapchat, of course? Today, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the videos until the end. You go first and you open your Snap. Then when your Snap is opening, guys, go to this your profile, opening it. Then when you opening it, go here to settings and open settings, then go to Cameos as you see here and click. Then go to the third option, see my Cameos selfie, like who can see my Cameos selfies in ads. And now you will change it to nobody, like this, and it will work with you. And that's it, guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.